Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a Lego effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor, and create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, use the image tag to include your image. I will be using a random image with 760 by 760 resolution. Use the script tag to include our JavaScript file. Our HTML is ready. Let's move to the CSS. First, we will declare some variables in the root selector. Set value of square dimension variable to 20 pixels. You can also use any other value you want. Just make sure that the width and height of the image are multiple of the value, so that the Lego blocks won't fall short or go out of image boundaries. We will set value of circle dim variable to 3/5 of square dimensions variable. Set the value of BG color variable to RGBA with RGB value of 204 and opacity of 1%. Let's do a quick CSS reset. Set margin and padding to 0. For the body, set width to 100 view width. Set height to 100 view height. Set display to grid. Set place items to center. This will center the image container on the screen. For the container class, set position to relative. For the Lego class, set width and height to square dim variable. Set background color to BG color variable. Set box shadow to 0 pixels X offset, 4 pixels Y offset, 4 pixels blur, 0 pixels spread, and color to white, with 15% opacity. Set backdrop filter to blur, with 12 pixels value. Set position to absolute. Set display to grid. Set place items to center. For the Lego classes after selector, set content to empty string. Set display to block. Set width and height to circle dim variable. Set border radius to 50%. Set background color to BG color variable. Use the same box shadow from Lego class. But change its color to black, with 25% opacity. Add another shadow, with same values, but set its color to white, with 15% opacity. Also add the inset property to it. Our CSS is ready. Let's move to JavaScript. Let's select the image element, using query selector. Let's get the reference to contain a div, using image element's parent element property. We will generate Lego blocks on image load, using onLoad event handler. Please note that, if you are using a local image, you need to use onLoad event handler, for document.body. Let's get images width and height, using image elements client width, and client height properties. Let's get Lego blocks width, from squareDim CSS variable. Use the getComputedStyle method, to get body's style. And getPropertyValue method, to get squareDim variable's value. We will pass this value to an integer, using parseInt function. Now, we will use nested for loops, to generate Lego blocks. For the first for loop, we will check if the variable is less than the image height, and increase it by Lego blocks width, because width and height of a square is same. For the second for loop, we will check if the variable is lesser than image's width, and increment it by Lego blocks width. Let's create a div element, using document.createElement method. Set the element's class name to Lego. Set elements styles top property to outer for loops variable, by concatenating px to it. Similarly, set elements styles left property to inner for loops variable. Lastly, append the element to the container, using append child method. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. It is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. By the way, you can find the complete source code of the project on my Patreon. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. I will see you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.